Missing the May 15 deadline could mean leaving thousands of dollars in tax depreciation on the table. A lot of property investors think the deadline just gives them more time, but it can completely change how much you're able to claim. Let's break down exactly how the May 15 deadline works, why it matters with the depreciation schedule, and how to avoid one of the most common mistakes we see investors make every year. If you own an investment property, your tax return isn't just about declaring income, it's about maximizing every deduction available to you. One of the biggest deductions is tax depreciation. Every year, we see investors rush to lodge early or leave things too late to organize a proper depreciation schedule. When this happens, they're not claiming the full value of what they're entitled to. Understanding the May 15 deadline makes a real difference on how much you're able to claim. What is the May 15 deadline? To put it simply, it's an extended lodgement date set by the ATO. If you lodge your own tax return, the usual deadline is October 31st. But if you use a registered tax agent, you can get extra time often until May 15. There's a catch though. You need to be on your tax agent's client list before the cutoff, which is October 31st. This means you need to have employed their services before this date to be eligible. This extension is mainly for people using tax agents, especially property investors, or anyone with a more complex tax situation. And it's not just about having more time, it's about using that time properly. Time to get your numbers right, gather everything you need, and organize things like your tax depreciation schedule so you're not rushing and missing deductions. Tax depreciation is one of the largest deductions available to property investors. It can be worth thousands of dollars every year. Here's a simple comparison. Two investors lodge their tax returns for the same type of property. The first investor lodges early without a depreciation schedule. They miss out on thousands of dollars in deductions, which means they pay more tax than they need to and reduce their overall cash flow. The second investor uses the extra time, gets a proper depreciation schedule prepared, and claims everything correctly. That can mean thousands of dollars in additional deductions, a lower taxable income, and potentially a much larger tax refund. Same property, completely different outcome. We've seen investors miss $5,000, $10,000, even $15,000 in deductions in a single year just by lodging too early. While you can amend your return later, most people don't. It gets forgotten, pushed aside, and that money is never claimed. Using the May 15 window properly gives you the time to get it right the first time, and that directly impacts your taxable income and your cash flow. It gives you time to organize a proper tax depreciation schedule and claim all the deductions you're entitled to. More deductions mean lower taxable income, so you're not paying more tax than you need to. Here are the most common mistakes we see around this time. First, lodging too early without a depreciation schedule. Second, assuming you'll amend it later. Third, leaving it too late to organize a schedule. A proper depreciation report takes time, and last-minute decisions can cost you access to that May 15 window. Finally, underestimating depreciation altogether. Some investors think it's minor, but over time, it can add up to tens of thousands of dollars. Individually, these don't seem like big decisions, but together, they can significantly impact your overall investment returns. Instead of seeing the May 15 deadline as just extra time, think of it as a strategic window. This is your chance to step back and make sure everything is properly done. That means engaging your tax agent early, organizing your depreciation schedule in advance, and making sure nothing gets missed. At the end of the day, it's not just about timing, it's about maximizing your outcome. At DuoTax, we prepare tax depreciation schedules to help property investors maximize their deductions and improve cash flow. If you're unsure whether you're claiming everything you're entitled to, speak to our team or check the link below to learn more. See you next time.